My name is DK Jain. I represent the company as the CEO of Videsi.
Yeah, myself, Dr. Chandrasekhar Biradar. I'm the lead of the Global Green Growth and also the Chief Green Growth Architect for the ONDC.
Myself Vicheta Jain. I represent as the founder of the ONDC.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯೋ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಟೆಕ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಏನು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಒಂದು ಖಾಸಗಿ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರು ನಮ್ಮ ತನನ ಉಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸೋ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟು, ನಮ್ಮ ನೇಚರು, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸು ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ತುಂಬ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
सर, ये जो राजस्थान का जो अभी प्रोग्राम हुआ है ग्राम के लिए, एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रेरणादायक प्रोग्राम था. और इसमें जनरली राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है, जो राजस्थान के बाहर के लोग जो राजस्थान से बाहर आके बसे हुए हैं और काफ़ी एस्टाब्लिश इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है, उनको न्योता देते हैं कि आप आइए राजस्थान के अंदर अपनी इंडस्ट्री डालिए और राजस्थान को वापस हरा भरा बनाइए. क्योंकि राजस्थान सरकार आज की डेट में राजस्थान को बहुत ही बढ़िया उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए काम कर रही है. और बारिश अच्छी हो रही है. वहाँ पे डेजर्ट लैंड था, पानी नहीं था, तो हम लोग पानी की वजह से इधर आए हैं. साउथ इंडिया वगैरह, कोई महाराष्ट्र में गया, कोई केरल तक गया. तो जो उन्होंने बोला था कि जहाँ ना जाए बैलगाड़ी, वहाँ पे जाए मारवाड़ी, दैट मीन्स वी गो बाई वॉक, एंड दैट इज़ अ वेरी रियलिटी. वो एक सत्य बात है. तो हमने मेहनत किया, मेहनत करके अच्छे खासे इस्टाब्लिश किया. हमारा जो राजस्थानी समाज जो रहता है ना, उनका एथिकल वैल्यूज़ बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रहता है और उसके बेस पे वो सबके साथ चढ़ता है. तो आई एम ए 5th जनरेशन इन कर्नाटका. तो हम लोग चलकेरे करके एरिया है, वहाँ पे बसे हुए थे. तो माई फादर हैज़ माइग्रेटेड टू ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಲ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಂಸಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮದು ಮನಸ್ಸಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೃಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾಳೆ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಟೆಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. We are changing the entire future of agriculture.
Sir, what is the expected farmers who are been witnessing this program on 23rd of the May in Jaipur?
It's a very high expectations, because if you see specifically for Rajasthan, if I say Rajasthan has a dry land area, and second, very less water, and how we can change the agriculture practices there by creating a soil, fertilizers and all that, not by chemical fertilizing, by natural farming,
organic.
See, in Rajasthan we have a very big asset. What is that? We have a cow, the Kankraj. Kankraj is a native breed there, and nobody has tapped that resources yet. And then there is a Panchakuta, we call, there is a dry land sabjis are there, which we call what you call Kher, Sangri, then Kumbad. All those are the high protein rich product. Nobody has yet focused on it.
Okay.
So being a agritech startups, we understand what is the value of it, and that has a global demand. So there will be a big changes happening, and government is giving lot of incentives,
So
support.
final conclusion about this investor meet, how do you conclude? How was
It will be a successful. Many players are already shown their interest, because we are meeting the ministers here. So we ourselves have shown more than 300 crore rupees investment we are doing.
Okay.
So there are many are there. I mean to say, it is going to be a successful.
Very nice. Well,
ಸರ್,
sir.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಈಗ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನಿಯವರು ನೀವು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಮ್ಮದು 1.4 crore ಆಬಾದಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 1.4 crore ಅಂದರೆ 35 ಲಕ್ಷ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 7 ಲಕ್ಷದಿಂದ 9 ಲಕ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೈನ್ ಮಾರವಾಡಿ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನಿಯವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2% ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಹಳ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗ್ರೋತ್ಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೇ ಸ್ವತಃನೇ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿನೂ MOUs ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ 30 ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 68,000 ರೈತರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಸೂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಲವ್ ಅವರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಅವರ್ ಡಿ ಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ji and Siddaramaiah ji. So very business mindset is there and they are promoting.
Very nice. Good name, sir.
My name is DK Jain. I represent company called OEDC Agritech Services Private Limited.
Biradar, please explain a bit about the technical area, how you are containing this input cost so that as a farmer will be saved.
So simple thing is, in the traditional system in Indian agriculture, India taught the world about how to grow the food. The farmer is always a giving hand, not a begging hand. Right? We made them to beg. All the rich kingdoms, the kingdoms flourished based on the what farmers grow. Right? Based on that, he'll give the some share to the king to be his khajane, then he can export. Right? Take Vijayanagar kingdom. We have the what's called golden era. It's because of the farmers, they're the rich. Right? But now we see the other way. Right? No government will come to farmers to this. So because we left our how to grow land equivalent ratio more than 5. अभी तो एक खेती में एक ही उगाते एक ही आ जाएगा, दिन खत्म हो जाता है. अब तो लैंड इक्विवेलेंस को बढ़ाना है और वी हैव टू रिड्यूस द इनपुट कास्ट. राइट? इफ यू द व्हेन द ग्रीन हाउस सक्सेसफुल बिकॉज द लैंड में ज़्यादा कार्बन थे, सॉइल वाज हेल्दी, वो गढ़ते गया, कार्बन नाइट्रोजन रेशन कम हो गया, देन यू कैन हैव टू ईटिंग मोर फर्टिलाइजर तो मोर पानी. Right? More adding the more water, more fertilizer, it became a cycle where farmers putting more inputs. 80% उनका cost input में चला जाता है. When you are adding, most of the soil is not healthy, disease ज़्यादा आ जाता है. Right? There's more diseases.
Correct.
So then उनको pesticide डालना पड़ेगा. So then also nutrition value of the crops goes down. पहले इतना खाना पड़ता था, अब कितना खाना पड़ता है. Right? It's all the multiple impact. So in order to cut down what you get, we're going back to our traditional system of the farming, multifunctional system. Integration of trees, livestock and crop and site specific. So what we are doing now, सबको गेहूं चाहिए, everywhere trying to grow the गेहूं. It's not fit for their इसका मेगा एनवायरनमेंट के हर क्या पे एक मेगा एनवायरनमेंट होता है, उसमें ग्रो करना पड़ता है. Now we are designing the site specific, जो राजस्थान का जैसे रेगिस्तान हो और वेस्टर्न घाट में हाईली रेनफॉल हो और बीजापुर क्लाइमेट में ड्राईलैंड एरिड जोन हो. We are designing the what crop can do best there, so that input cost कम हो जाए, profit बढ़ जाए, land increase हो जाए. This is the main concept what we call agroecological farming in the natural farming systems, so that it became a land productivity become higher, and not only productivity is the quality.
And at the same time, I want to ask you how you are making value addition so that farmers will get more
Exactly.
production income.
Exactly. So what happens is now farmers, most of the time they sell the raw material.
Yeah,
They not do the value additions.
absolutely correct.
Right? Most of the money the intermediate in the value additions and marketing में जाता है.
Okay.
Then farmers, they come together aggregations. For example, you are a farmer, you are growing a moringa in the village. You are alone farmer, you cannot do much. You have 2 coconut, you cannot sell as a big market. But there are 20 farm villages, everyone have 2 coconut is the 40 coconut trees. Then his aggregation happens. So input is buying aggregates together, let's call aggregated marketing. So when do the aggregations happens, then the profit banta. Then there is a lot of perishables. For example, look into the onion now, I was in the village. Onion drop price drastically. Even the farmers are afraid to harvest and sell it because even they not tell transportation cost. So if they cut and make a slice and dry processing, make a dry onion, and they can keep it as long as you want. Whenever price, when they sell it. So these are the kind of value addition processing. That is what the OEDCs wanted to come out to the very innovative way to, from the processing, per aggregations, and without chemical the things, including the packing things. That also the environmental friendly, so that you are not generating any waste.
Oh,
Right?
fantastic.
So when you not generate waste, there is no management of the waste.
So
We are
you
not-
have rather a platform-centric approach in your.
It's a holistic system on how to grow the site specific, how to bring the common goods together, community practices together, reduce the input cost, green growth basically reducing the impact environment. Then how that value, as Dinesh is told that 40% sudden jump in their cost.
Okay, so I want to ask you, OEDC, how many farmers you onboarded and how many farmlands you onboarded till now, and what is your game plan down the line 5 years?
You look at about 10% increment every year.
Okay.
Right, you can start at the base numbers of 10,000 farmers. You can bring it 10th. That can be can exploit the exploit.
Right now you are present in how many states, sir?
The way it's two state, you can look into that one. The Karnataka as a Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
And then we have already there is a lot of work. We are working natural farming in Andhra Pradesh, in Odisha, then Assam. So called Northeast, we are going to turn it as a natural economic zones, not a northeastern zone.
So what is your take or comment to the central government or the state government? What
So-
are the policy initiatives that you are expecting? From
Very clear that when you go into the anything that damages soil, they have the subsidies.
Okay.
We take irrigation, take a fertilizer, take a pesticide, everything is there. Same thing you look into other side,
Yeah.
that can increase the soil health.
Yeah.
For example, if someone want to buy the tractor, he has subsidies. But I want to buy the belgadi or bale and I want a cows, I not have subsidies.
Okay.
Right? I want to put organic material, I not have subsidies. Right? I want to grow the trees to increase the more biomass, I have subsidies. So they have to something they can do to improve the land value. I'm asking the government to increase the subsidy, repurposing subsidies. I'm not asking to remove the subsidies, repurpose subsidies. That's a better for the health of the nation is measured by health of the people, health of the soil. They are interconnected.
Yeah, very good. So it is a phenomenal journey of the story of Oyades in India, and they are bulldozing the entire farming activity. And we wish them all the best. Thank you for talking to SS News and NFA Positive TV.
Thank
We
you.
wish you all the best going forward. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So in India, farming is always led by women folk. So how you are looking at that importance of women folk in farming activities? How you are want this to be reinvented going forward?
No, woman was always there in the farming activities, but the stage or what the respect she has to given, it has never been given. I being coming in the agriculture is the main reason is that I want to promote that woman cannot only be in a kitchen. She can be a role model for the India also. How whatever the Modi is promoted like that Mahila bill 30, that is, I want to tell that it is the right bill which we have to pass it. It has not passed it. I felt very bad. But being in agriculture, I want that it has to be, woman should be lead the country. She know how to run the kitchen, then she can run the Indian, she can run the world. And being in agriculture, the main reason to coming in the agriculture is I have seen the lot of women are facing the problem, which are you can see the IVF kind of thing, nutrition level is the main intention of coming in the agriculture, that too in the organic thing is because I have seen the PCOD issues are there, kids issues are there, light of sugar, cancers, everything has developed. I don't want it, the future should see this. However, we can control it now, it will be very useful. That way, I want to promote natural farming and thank you to everything.
ये मेन पानी पीने का एक मेन प्रॉब्लम है जो ये लोग रहते हैं जो लेडीज हैं वो लेके इस पे लेके आते हैं पानी।
सर पे
Yes.
फूल है।
इसका किस तरह का ये सक्सेसफुल होगा?
That is a traditional practice. उसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि उसका it is not a bad thing. That is a physical exercise was there in the village. It was needed. Now the government has given a proper pipeline, water services, सब कुछ आ रहा है. The physical activity कम हो गया पर पानी का जो purity आ रहा है that really needed for this country में जो आना चाहिए वो आया है, सब कुछ अच्छे से आ रहा है. और उसका प्यूरिफिकेशन लेवल जो अभी आप देख रहे हो, आपका नल चाहे तो पानी घर पे आप अर्बन सिटी में आ रहा है, वो खेत से जाके कुएं से जाके लेके आती है, बट प्यूरिटी इज वेरी गुड. तो अपने को चाहिए कि अपने को पानी को शुद्ध करना चाहिए.
Madam, one last question for you. Like women's as well as all or farmers related to farming as well as economy wise, they are not stable as they are not up to an extent level. They are all still suffering in some places in various districts, taluk level. So your message to them, how can we uplift them in financially stabilizing them? What is your
Surely it is a good question that women are there, but as now you can see a scenario that a lot of women entrepreneurs already reached the unicorn level. The lot of the women entrepreneur has there, but being when I speak about the OEDC, we are working with the self-help group. There are a lot of ladies working in the village level with a small like example for like a pickle, which is there, which is known for the woman. We are creating a group kind of thing. They can create their own brand. It is surely they will increase their economic income level and it is give a value. The main focus OEDC is working to create how the woman in the village level can create the desi recipe which has been forgotten and everything. We have to come with our own, not the western kind of thing, this burger, pizzas, this thing. There are a lot of old days dadi ma ki recipes there, dadi ki recipe there. We have to come back with which is the one woman can bring it out.
ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಮಗಳ ಮದುವೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮನೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇರೋ ಚಿನ್ನನ ಅಡ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಮಾರಿಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕರ್ಧ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತ ಆತಂಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಅಡವಿಟ್ಟ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಳೆ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಇಂದಿನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಜನರ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ತಾನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ.